Today, I'll show you how to change your bank account on Vrbo, making sure your payouts go to the right place without any hassle. Whether you've recently switched banks or just need to update your details, this guide will help you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Vrbo account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu there. This menu is your gateway to all of the different settings and options that Vrbo offers. For our purposes today, find the section labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage everything related to financial transactions, including your payout settings. Now, once you're on the Payments page, look for the Payout Accounts option. Clicking on this will bring up a list of your current payout accounts. If you already have an account set up, you'll see it displayed here. If not, don't worry, the next steps will guide you on what to do. If you're updating an existing bank account, find your current account details listed on the page. Next to these details, you'll see an option labeled Change Bank Account. Clicking on this will allow you to input your new bank details. It's important to make sure the information you enter is accurate to avoid any delays in receiving your payouts. Double check the bank account number, the routing number, and any other required fields. These details ensure that your funds are directed to the right place. In the event that you haven't set up a payout account yet, you'll see an option to add bank details instead. Click on this and enter your bank information just as you would if you were changing an existing account. Again, accuracy is key here, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once you've entered your new bank details, Vrbo will likely ask you to confirm your changes. This might involve reviewing your details one last time or verifying your identity. It's a good practice to review everything carefully before proceeding. Once you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and confirm your changes. After confirmation, Vrbo will update your payout account information. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your next payout to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, Vrbo's support team is available to help you resolve them. And there you have it. Changing your bank account on Vrbo is straightforward when you know where to go and what to do. Keep this guide handy for whenever you need to make changes in the future. And remember, keeping your financial information up to date is a vital part of managing your Vrbo account efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.